In front of me is Motorola Moto G30 and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by opening Moto app and clicking on the top left corner of it. Then select Personalize at the top and click on Theme right away. Now you can pick one of those by clicking on it. So when I do that, and go back, as you can see, theme of my device has changed right away. You can also go back to the same settings, but instead of picking one of those themes, adjust your own thanks to this plus at the bottom right corner. Just pick all of those options: wallpaper, font style, color theme, and icon shape. Then name your theme and click on the check mark again. To apply it, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!